Side angle. Just joking. This Caitlin runs in the way. Good job, baby.
She knows. She knows the drill.
The drill. Yeah, drool. You and your little... There. Here's your mom. She was the one that was here last time, right?
I think so.
Those are straight pinky choppers. Give me those.
It's so satisfying watching it all come off.
Right? It's so much harder to get the small ones as clean because of how much smaller they are and the angles and the pinch points.
That was the frog I was most concerned about.
Yeah, it was the longest over that whole edge was covering that whole commissure. The canyon, I call them.
The canyon.
Because sometimes I forget the word commissure.
Yeah.
I'm just taking off all this flappy stuff so no moisture can get locked in it, but I don't want to over clean the frog because the frog still needs to do its function.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah? Really? Okay. You're bad? Because I'm not bad. Yeah. Sorry. Just walking.
Okay.
Here, baby, watch out.
That's okay.
Push her. Whoops. She's very hardy.
Farm girl. She's got this.
She is. She's always eating shavings and stuff in our donkey shelter. And obviously, because they can't get away from that.
Yeah. That looks so much better.
Yeah. A little bit sideways. Sorry about that tickle.
So you don't think it's thrush, you think it's arthritis?
In the front knees, it could have been a little bit of thrush because they are